Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, it's a collaboration with Kichler lighting, and I'm so excited you guys to finally share some of the updates that I have done in my dining room. So here's a before picture in case you guys forgot how my dining room looked before. So here's when I got the package. I just wanted to quickly show you how well packed this chandelier was. Honestly, everything came super nicely wrapped, so nothing will break. Also, here's the hubby with his brother-in-law doing the installation for the chandelier. As they told me, it was a breeze. I'm just sharing that information with you and giving them a shout out for helping me. So another major change that we did was also getting new dining chairs. I was super excited to change mine. I mean, I had them for a while, the gray ones, and I loved them, don't get me wrong. I was so heartbroken when I let them go. But it was time for change, and I decided to get this beautiful cream velvet dining chairs from Wayfair. I'm pretty sure you guys seen this if you've seen my recent haul video. But yeah, here they are. Because they're such a light color, we decided to use fabric protector to protect the fabric because we have a little one. So I'm not judging over here. I just wanted to kind of show you how the dining room looked before I had enough of it. I was working on my kitchen updates, so a lot of the things just got dumped in the dining room and it became a total mess. So yeah, even the drawers that were broken got replaced. I'm excited about that one. And here it is, you guys. This is the review. This is how the dining room looks now, and we are super happy with the way it looks. I absolutely love every single detail. I chose this beautiful oval chandelier by Kichler lighting, you guys, because of its modern and glam timeless look. I love the mix of crystals and metals, you guys know that already, and this is one stunning piece. Fall is quickly approaching. I know some of you guys are not ready yet for this, but I decided to create a very simple and glam table escape using some new items that I got this year. And I'm talking about my beautiful Bella vase and candle holders from Sea Gallery. I'm obsessed with those, you guys. This video inspire you to refresh your dining room this year, and if you get inspired, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Also guys, don't forget to check the description box because I'm linking every single item that I use in this dining room refresh. Above the bar cart, I added this beautiful metal wall art that I got at Burlington. I also added new champagne flutes that I got at Sea Gallery, and I added a pop of last year's pumpkins. You guys seen this if you saw my fall home tour last year. Guys, that was it for this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of the refresh of the dining room. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't. See you guys on the next one. God bless.